from DAC Belgium, along with our Joint Director Sir, Rajesh Thapa, and AD Sir, along with all the officials and all the technicians, my dear colleagues and my dear students. Very good afternoon.
We are basically celebrating this occasion through a quiz competition in Pelling School. And main objective of this is basically that everyone competes on the knowledge.
Rounds of questions, okay? So if you answer your own question, you'll get 10 marks.
Our audience is very, very active. Bitcoin is the correct answer.
After round 1, fast and curious round, Mount Kabur is the winner.
जैसे दबाए प्रोजेक्ट में काम करता जैसे हामीले पनि डीसी ऑफिस में मिलेर सबैजनाले यस्तो प्लेटफर्म स्टार्ट गरेको छ जसको नाम हो सिक्किम मेन्टर। मलाई कसरी कुन चाहिँ फिल्डमा सिलेक्ट गर्नु त्यसको लागि एकेडमिक काउन्सिलिङ चाहिन्छ या फेरि मेरोमा साइकोलोजिकल को मेन्टल प्रब्लम्स छ या प्रब्लम भने मलाई मेन्टल हेल्थ सपोर्ट चाहिन्छ सो देन हु शुड आई कन्ट्याक्ट विथ। So for that, this platform has made it easier to just go on the website sikkimmentor.com and in the sabajnala you are very, very advanced in the technology. So everybody, I'm sure 100% of all of us are able to actually use a mobile phone, use a computer and then search on the web. So the students, you can search and seek counseling help through this website sikkimmentor.com and post this program. This is the ending phase of this program. In another 2 minutes will be dispersed and you will enjoy your Saturday. Those who want to voluntarily sign up, our team is there and then you can give your nomination, and if you want some counseling in sports, then you can go to the sikkimmentor.com and then choose a sports mentor. Just to Amar Subhath here, he is a sports mentorship. वहाँ को स्टोरी ऐसे थियो कि वहाँ स्टार्टिंग में अलिकति वहाँ को लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स थियो, but when he started to run and then that running gave him a joy in life which any other hobby did not. That gave him an identity. So some people got motivated by that person, and right now he has recently organized a marathon in Dara. And since we as a student study the hundai but right now we also need to focus on the outdoor activities, because education is what? Education is the complete knowledge. It does not include the knowledge included in the books, right? So for that, if you want a sports mentorship, you can go to the Sikkim Mentor website and then you can choose the mentor who is good in the sports. For right now, he is Amar Subba, but we are adding more and more members like this. Similarly, if you want some academic counseling, because hamro thupro doubts hundai cha after class 10th ma ki ke garnu, non-medical lenu ki medical lenu, or maybe if you are choosing an arts career, because right now the technology is changing so fast that nobody knows what's the future in coming 5 months ma, even in coming year ma, because sabalai ChatGPT ko tha cha ki ke huncha, everyone knows. Can anybody explain what is ChatGPT or what is AI? Achha, raise your hands if you have heard of ChatGPT. So mostly everyone knows. ChatGPT is one revolution that has helped everyone. So if you are not following naya technology and all, then you will be obsolete. So therefore you need really a mentorship, and for that there are many persons. In fact, a student is one who seeks knowledge, who can go to their teacher and then ask them, Malayo tha chaina, Malayo alikati madhya. You should not be hesitant and doubtful. So